You like girls?
No.
What do you like?
Dicks.
What's your favorite color?
Crap.
Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No. My boyfriend and girlfriend's dicks and balls.
Oh.
The girls are the dicks and the boys are the balls.
Oh. Do you have boobs?
Yes.
Oh. Are you gonna have braces when you get older?
Yes.
So you asked a question now, because I'm out of questions.
What's your favorite plant?
A dick tree.
What's your favorite food?
Cow poo, miss, shit, dick.
You get the sentence with me.
Do you know how to drive?
Yeah, I can drive a car into a dick.
Is it fun doing that?
Yes!
Oh, my turn?
My favorite superhero is the human dick.
What's your favorite movie?
Twilight dicks.
What's your favorite word?
You don't know this letter this is?
It's a P.
Is it an F?
It's the F.
Say it.